even within 1 minute, it will be okay. Wow, the kitchen is smelling good. Hello, wonderful people. Welcome to Chef Gabi GA channel. Today, we are going to learn how to make our own kebab powder at home. The ingredients are cheap and you can get all in the local market. Before, getting the peanut powder was the issue, but now it is available. I bought mine in Carnage Market. Dear friend, do you like this uniform? African Heritage Clothing. They design all kinds of uniforms, from housekeeping, front office, waiters, kitchen, any department in the hotel, they can supply you. If you want just one piece, get in touch. They will design a wonderful uniform for you, no matter the color, no matter the design you want. Their number is what you see on your screen. Come, let's do together. Yalla! Ingredients we are going to use to make our kebab powder. For half 1 cup of peanut powder, and the peanut powder, it should be free from oil. So the best way to test it is to put it on a tissue paper, fold it, and press it. So after that, you put it back. If you see that it is oily, then you have to dry it in your oven. So you can see that this one is dry. You don't see any oil under it or on it. So this is very dry, free from oil. The next ingredient is ginger powder. That one is 2 tablespoons. And I have 1 cup of onion powder, and I have 3 tablespoons of chili powder. The chili powder, it depends on you. If you want it more spicy, you can add 1 more tablespoon, and you want it less, you can use 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons. And I have turmeric. The turmeric, I use 1 teaspoon, and I have garlic powder. I used 2 teaspoons. So these are the ingredients we are going to use. These ones are in powdered form. Let's come to the seeds. So for the seeds, I have anise seed, 2 teaspoons, and I have 5 pieces of Huentia selim, and then I have 5 pieces of calabash nuts meg. I have 2 teaspoons of rosemary, that is dry rosemary, and then I have 2 teaspoons of black pepper. So this one, I'm not going to do anything on it. That is the powdered one. And then the seeds, I'm going to roast them, grind it using my grinder to grind it, and then later I'll add it to this one plus the peanut powder and mix all together. And of course, we will add our salt to taste. The pan is hot, so per this ones, you will use the one that will take time to be roasted first. So this ones will take time before it will be well roasted. It has been on fire for about 6 minutes. I can add the black pepper, and then after 2 minutes, I will add the other ones for another 2 minutes, and then take it off from the fire. This one, I'm using only natural ingredients, especially with the powdered one. If you go to the market, give you anything, please read on the ingredients, because sometimes the market woman, they don't know. But when you read it, you know that it is ginger plus more than 5 more items, which makes it not a natural spice. So always read the ingredient and then make sure you are buying only natural ingredients. I will show you the onion I bought, and you will see that it is only onion powder, nothing added. Beautiful. I will off the fire. The residual heat in the pan can roast it. And I think this one, even within 1 minute, it will be okay. Wow, the kitchen is smelling good. Dear friend, as I said, we see it is onion powder, but I have to turn it and read at this portion, which is written ingredients. Most of the time, it is not written only onion as it is written here. You see that onion, and then they'll be adding other preservatives, colors, and a lot of flavors to it. So always check on the bottle where it is written ingredients. So dear friend, this is our powder. I'm telling you, the smell is so great, and I like the smooth consistency of the powder. I'll add the other ingredients together. Beautiful. Then we just mix it. So dear friend, I am adding 1 more teaspoon of turmeric to it. Let's see how the color will change. Beautiful. Wow, I like this. It looks great. Dear friend, so I tasted this and I realized the peanuts contain salt, so I'm just putting 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and that will be enough for kebab powder. You know, when one of my sons was coming inside, he don't know I was making this video, and he just said, wow, here smells kebab. So I'm telling you, because of the roasted seeds, here smells good, and you know, you can smell it everywhere. Our kebab powder is ready, and I told you this is going to be very simple, and you know, we used only natural ingredients. So if there's something you don't understand, let me know under the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer you. And if you are still here and you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe. I upload new video every single week. So kebab is ready. Just put it in your containers. This way I don't have to put it in the fridge. Just on your shelf, and it can stay on your counter, and it can stay up to 3 months. Nothing will happen to it. Even more than 3 months, but safety reasons and quality control, just 3 months, and you'll be good to go. If it's too much, give some to your friends, your family, let them enjoy it. And this one is not for only kebab. You can use it for your fish, for your beef, for your chicken, pork, because you saw it yourself. You use natural quality ingredients, and it will be good for all your marinades. Thank you for watching. God bless you, and God bless us all. Adieu.